So this is how to transfer a tax-free savings account or a TFSA from Investors Group to Wealthsimple. Once you guys open up Wealthsimple, just scroll down to the bottom and select the icon that has the arrows pointing in opposite directions. Once you're here on the Move page, scroll down a little bit to Accounts and then select Transfer to Wealthsimple. Then press Get Started. Once you're here, if you were to scroll down to the very bottom for me, it says Investor Groups or IG Wealth. Go ahead and select that and then press on Next or enter information manually based on how you want to sign in. I'll just go ahead and enter the information manually for this example. Once you're here, make sure that TFSA is selected and then press Next. And then just go ahead and fill in the following details to proceed with the transfer. So that is how to transfer a TFSA from Investors Group to Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.